Alright guys, going into part 3 of this. Part 3, you're actually going to use most of what you've created for part 2. I'm just going to show you this hatching here. So hatching is simply an infill of an area. And I did give you the hatch pattern and the angles to for everything to be set at. So I do want you to make sure that you're using those hatches whenever you are actually completing that command right there. Let's go ahead and let's do the earth hatch pattern here. So that's this one right here. Since we already have that shape, it says the area between the circle and the inscribed polygon, use the hatch pattern earth with angle set to 315 and scale set to 50. And it should end up turning out just like this. So we're going to go into this, and we're going to use yellow as our color. That's what it's set at. We're going to go to our hatch, which is up here. We're going to pick the internal points of the hatch. So you can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, just because I picked the internal points doesn't mean I'm done. It does say that it wants earth to be the pattern and the angle to be set at 315 with a scale of 50. So, next thing we're going to do is on pattern, we're going to drop this down until we find earth. So we found earth. There we go. Set angle at 315. I'm going to type that right up in there. And then scale was at 50. Okay, when you do that, you can see that scale looks a lot better now. You can actually see the pattern visibly. Close that hatch. You're going to repeat that for the other steps in here. Okay. If you have any questions, please reach out. But this should be pretty straightforward. Again, this is AutoCAD Project 2, Step 3. I would save each one as an individual file, then submit all 3 of them. All right.